In today's video, I will walk you through some video SEO, a video SEO tutorial for YouTube videos. My name is Chris Palmer, and today I'd like to teach you about video schema. So when we're looking at SEO, schema is definitely a dominant force. It's very important to help search engines understand your content. So with video SEO, a lot of things are really the same, and search engines like Google are going to be utilizing the source code. Now, when implementing the schema onto your page that I'm going to walk you through today, you're actually able to get more keywords into the source code. The source code is what is read by search engines, so it's very important, and the more times you can get target key phrases within your source code, the more relevant your content is for a particular keyword. So I'm going to do a quick search on the source code for a video, and then I'll walk you through exactly what I'm talking about. But I want to showcase something. So this is a video that I'm going to walk you through. I just did a video not too long ago on CTR. Now I'm going to paste this in, and this particular phrase is only utilized within the video schema that I'm going to show you how to do today. So if you take a look here, here's N, there's 2 slashes and N, and then it says Chris Palmer CTR SEO. The name of the video is click-through rate manipulation. So if we go down, it's on the page 6 times. All right, it's in the source code 6 times, but I only put it on the page 1 time. As you can see, it's in the source code 6 times, but it's only on the page once. All right, but within the source code, it's over and over and over again. Now, as you're seeing some changes here, they're putting an N, and then they're putting 2 slashes in front of it, or 1 slash in front of it. Now, if you come on over here to W3 School, where you can learn about a lot of different JavaScript and HTML and CSS, all kinds of stuff. But what I want to point out is it's a reg exp object. A regular expression is an object that describes a pattern of characters. All right, so it's not that it's doing anything special, but I wanted to point out exactly what it's doing within the source code. All right, it's describing a pattern of characters. It's putting it into the page. So we're able to add this particular source code multiple times, and CTR, Chris Palmer CTR SEO, and as you can see, it's down here in the bottom. Now, a lot of people, and even myself, I was only under the impression that this was how you put in these little brackets, but there's 2 ways. See these little lines, these chapters they call it? There's 2 ways that you can do this. Now, how I'm implementing it, and why I'm pointing out that part with the JavaScript and the N slash, is the way that I'm implementing it and putting it on the page. It adds a different expression within the source code. Now, when you look up the way that I'm going to show you today and how I have it laid out here, you will see that it's actually called video schema. And the benefit here is not only are you getting chapters, not only are people able to find your content better that are important pieces, but you're able to get a lot more keywords onto the page that are related to the topic of your video. It's helpful to the user, and within the source code, you're able to repeat very important keywords that are related to your video, and it helps with ranking. So generally, and this is just a hypothesis, it's something that I'm noticing, I'm running a few tests. Let me show you something. Generally, when I put out a video, or anybody, you'll notice that a lot of people within the industry say only use 7 key phrases. All right. If you take a look here, I'm ranking for more than 7. And why is it 7? Because generally when videos go through their cycle, only 7 tags will actually rank. Right? Only 7 tags. So a lot of people only utilize 7. But what I noticed is if you take a look here, my tags are matching to the schema. And a lot of the tags that I have that are related to the schema are actually popping up and I'm ranking for. And it's been X amount of hours that usually all those extra spots where you get rankings in, even if they're not high, I'm still sitting there. So let me go ahead and show you how to implement this. And it's very simple, but let me walk you through the process. So if you have a video, all right, so let's say that this video is 30 minutes and 50 seconds long. No matter what, when you start, you have to do this. So you're going to think of the beginning, something that's going to be based around your keyword. So let's just say it's keyword, And then what you're going to do is, so it's your main keyword, or you can make it descriptive. It's up to you, but I like to use keywords. So do keyword, colon, space. And the first one has to be 0:00, and then close it out. All right. And then the next one could be keyword 2, colon, space, put a bracket, and then it's going to be your time. So 0 space, and then we could do 50 seconds. Boom. Right. And then there has to be 10 seconds worth of space. So if this video is 30 minutes and 50 seconds, then the last one that I can do is going to be last keyword. Okay. Now these are all together. It's going to be last keyword, colon, space, 0. And if I know that it ends at 30-50 or colon 50, then I have to put at least 10 seconds before it ends. So the last one to close it out has to be 30, colon, and then just to be safe, we're going to do 39. And then that would be the last one. So you have your first has to be 00. For the last one, you have to give at least 10 seconds. And then everything in between, you can break them up as much as you want, but there has to be at least 10 seconds in between. Now, I have utilized a lot of keywords in some of the videos, and they didn't pop. The chapters did not pop. Now, there's another way to implement it, but I want to show you the way that's considered schema for the video. I feel that it's going to be highly important moving forward. Also, I noticed that videos that I add this type of schema to are showing up within the video section on Google search engine. So I hope that this video has been helpful for you if you're doing YouTube videos or any other type of videos, primarily for YouTube, really. But you will still see inside of Google search that they're popping up. It shows the chapters. Very helpful. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any further questions related to video SEO, if you have questions and you need a video SEO tutorial or YouTube video tutorial, anything, always feel free to go ahead and reach out in the comments below, and I most certainly look forward to seeing you in the next video SEO tutorial for YouTube video. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one.